Hi Tiana, sorry to take so long to get back to you. It was a busy day. So I've got the last three derivatives that you sent me, and I'll just go through them one by one and show you how to do the derivatives. For this one, what we're going to do first is we're going to write it in exponential form. So we're going to write it to the exponent 1 over 5 instead of the fifth root. And so y prime will be 1 over 5 times 2x. And we're going to take 1 over 5 minus 1, which is the same as 5 over 5, so that's minus 4 over 5 for the new exponent. And then we're going to multiply by the chain rule, because inside the brackets there's a derivative for the 2x. The derivative is 2, and so I end up with 2/5 times 2x to the negative 4 over 5. And sometimes they will write that as 2 over 5 times 2x to the positive 4/5, because the negative exponent means that you want to put it in the denominator, okay, to give it a positive exponent. So I think that would probably be the sort of most simplified version of that problem. For this one, they're asking us for dy dx, which is still the same as f prime or y prime. And so for this one, we're going to do dy dx, or f prime if you want, is negative 2x, bring the 2 in front and multiply it by the negative there, plus 5. And that's it. That's all you have to do for that one. Okay. And this last one, so what we have here, if we rewrite this, it'll make it a little easier to understand. If you take the 3 over 7 and write that as a coefficient, and then have the x cubed by itself, and then we're going to write the 7 over 6, and we're going to make that an x to the minus 3 because it's in the denominator, so it'll become a minus when it comes up. So y prime is going to be 3 times 3 over 7 x squared minus negative 3 times 7 over 6 x to the minus 4. So 3, sorry. Okay, so that gives us 9 over 7x squared. And then this will simplify because 3 and 6 divide by 3. And so we end up with minus, so that makes positive 7 over 2x to the minus 4. And probably you would see the answer in the back of the book or the answer sheet given as 7 over 2x to the 4, like that. So I hope that helps you with your derivatives, and if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to email me back, okay?